ever heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
To another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hiya! We're in our karate uniforms today, as you can see.
That's right. We just finished up our routine. You're going to see that on the site, so make sure to stay tuned and make sure to follow our Instagram for all the latest updates and news on your favorite celebrities.
That's right, we'll put it right here.
But we're going to get into our hot topics for today. Starting it off with the She's Hot contest. Because the She's Hot contest is here.
That's right, and the winner, everyone has picked her as a whole, the studio audience, IK and I, the co-host, everyone.
And also from seeing all the news circulating, we want to pick
right.
the wonderful Miss Britney Spears.
Congratulations, Miss Britney Spears, on your win. Congratulations.
That's right, congratulations, Miss Britney Spears. But Dr. Ross, tell me a little bit about the name, the icon, the legend, Britney Spears.
So Britney Jean Spears is an American singer, songwriter, and dancer. She's credited with influencing the viral of teen pop during the late 1990s and the early 2000s.
And you know, Dr. Ross, I could see where that rubbed off because everyone right now is talking about Britney and how she is finally away from the conservatorship case, which Dr. Ross and I are neutral on. And she has her own Britney week on Dancing with the Stars, where they're all using Britney Spears music.
And IK and I were recently watching that just earlier, actually, a couple minutes ago, when they, like IK was saying, were having their Britney-inspired week.
And you know, The Miz was on too. The Miz was great. The Miz, he should have got 10 out of 10s. And he shouldn't have been the last person up. He should have been the first.
Yes. I don't like how but you know, they always save the best for last. And I'm glad they did, because The Miz was the best performance I've seen. And he actually improved from the weeks, which is what Dancing with the Stars is.
It's The Miz.
Did it again. I'm
improving from each week.
But we're going to move away from The Miz and get back to Britney Spears because we went off on a tangent.
But congratulations once again for Miss Britney Spears on your win.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Well, let's get into our hot topics for today. Starting it off with...
We're going to start this one off clean, and we're going to start it off with what IK and I do best. And this is upcoming movie series, where we tell you guys upcoming movies you should watch or upcoming TV shows. Recently, Rami Malek says that he sat behind Prince William and Kate Middleton at the No Time to Die premiere, and he thinks they loved the movie.
And you know the royal family is going to be watching 007 when they have their own 007. They're seeing how accurate it is. But Dr. Ross, aside from all the jokes, 007 is probably a great movie, a spectacular movie at that, and we're actually going to be the first ones to watch it at the premiere.
This Thursday.
So stay tuned for the review, guys.
That's right. I'm actually super excited for it. The 007 is going to be really, really exciting. And some of the ladies that they have in this new upcoming 007 look nice and fierce.
That's right. And this is actually Danielle Craig's last 007 performance. Well, let's get...
His name is Safin.
And what does he want?
Revenge.
Next hot topic.
Exactly. Before we get into it, I just want to say that's okay, because IK is always willing to take the spot.
That's right. Make the next 007 international.
That's right. On to our next and our final movie pick that we want you guys to really see is Venom, Let There Be Carnage. IK and I saw that the ratings have went up, and yesterday they just proclaimed that Venom has become a box office sensation since the pandemic era, beating Shang-Chi and almost beating its original numbers in the first Venom movie. What do you think, IK?
Dr. Ross, the movie was really good, and I think it deserves all of those great ratings.
It does.
But we have our original review, and we'll put it in the link in the description below. So make sure to go visit that video to see our full...
When your friends kicked you off the planet Ming-Mong because you are a reject, you are a pariah. Lethal protection, my ass, you couldn't protect anything. You are useless. You can get a job down here cleaning toilets.
I'm sorry.
I don't know what came over me, please. Let me fix it. How about it? So I can bring it again!
But let's
That's
get
right.
into our next hot topic for today.
This is going to be our next and our final hot topic. Harry Styles confirms the meaning of watermelon sugar, and it's exactly what you should think.
What is it? Watermelon sugar? High fructose
Exactly.
corn syrup? I don't know what he's trying to get at with this, making a deeper meaning for watermelon sugar.
Exactly. The song is literally singing about watermelon sugar, but he goes on to explain that it's about his new romantic couple fling that he's had for a little bit with Miss Olivia, which actually, her ex-husband just won a lot of awards for the Ted Lasso. So we're gonna say that's a thumbs down that she left him, but
You know, Dr. Ross,
we'll see how that goes.
if he's trying to do a metaphor, he should have said rose water, especially for something romantic. Rose and gold is more romantic than watermelon sugar.
That's right.
But you know, Dr. Ross, we're not going to cut it short this episode, and we're going to make it a bit longer. So we're going to do 3 more hot topics. Let's get
That's
to our
right.
next.
To our next hot topic, we're gonna go ahead and mention Nick of the Cannon. Nick Cannon.
Nickety Nick.
That's
You know,
right.
Dr. Ross, Nick Cannon's show, we've been saying it, his new talk show,
Hey Nick.
you need to take from the international king, IK.
Right.
I go by Nature Boy. And Dr. Ross, who also goes by Queen Elizabeth. Because right now, you need to slow your roll. You're going too fast, Nick. You're out
Exactly.
there giving people massages, going on the bus, driving around, getting your posts.
Talking
going-
to Oprah, handing out money, giving back massages. When does it end? Showing your Wicked of the Witch shoes in the background. When does it end, Nick Cannon? And we know you're hyped
Yeah.
up for your new show.
But we know, that's right, we know you're hyped up for your show, and we know you were on a show called Wild and Out. But this is not Wild and Out. You need to be cool, chill.
That's
If
right.
I were you, Nick, I would have given you the advice to come out there on the king's chair. Not coming out there on a cape saying, oh, let me put my cape down and hang it on the dresser. Nick, it's too much. Slow your roll. But
right.
these were all of our hot topics for today. And to the Kardashian family, Kim, Coco, Chris, Grits, I don't know what the rest of the names are. But
The Kardashians and the Jenners, we hear you guys have a new show. And you know what? You should call it Courtney, whatever their names are, Kardashians and Jenners Family Affair. But we do have you guys listed because you guys are She's Hot winners. So
That's
just keep
right.
staying scandalous.
And for your next show, we want you to invite us out and come over there and give us a cup of coffee. But we'll see you guys on set to the entire Kardashian and Jenner family. And we'll see you guys in the next episode.
Scandalous.
Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and visit our Instagram and all the links down below.
That's right.
And
And
make sure-
congratulations to Britney Spears. One more time. Sorry to say that.
That's right,
She's Hot winner.
congratulations.
Congratulations.
And to all the people who don't know, the Jamaican shampoo will be in stock soon, so make sure to stay tuned for that.
That's
We'll-
right.
We'll be putting a notification, a link in our Instagram, so make sure to follow our Instagram and put the bell on all notifications on.
That's right. And right before we close it off, because we don't want to keep coming back to you, we have to give a special shout out to all of our amazing friends out there. We're first going to give it out to Cat Tattoo with Miss Sherry. Here's the emblem right here and all their information. They will hook you up in Addison, Texas. And then we also have Anvil Tattoo on Highway 380 in McKinney, Texas. They will also hook you up for the tattoos. Information is right here.
That's right. So make sure to drop by those places. And guys, we also want to mention Yank Apparel. Yank Apparel has the clothing that will last from the beginning all the way to the end. And this is not the clothing that's going to be hurting on you the whole time while you're wearing it.
That's right.
No,
Uncomfortable.
this
No.
clothing is soft and it fits like a glove.
That's
So
right.
make sure to pick up some clothing from Yank Apparel.
And IK and I wear a lot of Yank Apparel stuff because we're martial artists, as you can see, and it's comfy, it's good to wear, and it makes you look fit, it makes you look good.
And it just shows the excellence.
That's right.
And
Information is right here.
Last but certainly not least is Need Donuts.
That's
If
right.
you guys haven't been, you need to check them out. They're in Long Beach and Tennessee, and they could be coming to a location near you. So
That's
stay
right.
tuned for that.
And if you're an OG of the Rose and Gold account, you know that IK and I have been posting a lot about this Need Donuts. Every single time that we go into California, we get boxes and boxes. And we just want to say, Colonel Sanders, don't lick your fingers off.
Colonel
Don't try some
Sanders
Need
missed out on
Donuts.
this one.
That's right.
Because if you're trying to find a donut that melts in your mouth, don't go to Krispy Kreme. Go to Need Donuts.
Britney Donuts. You know, your favorite donut shop. Because if you're seeing this, this is your favorite donut shop.
These were all of our hot topics for today, and we're finally going to cut it off this time. But these were all of our topics with acts 7779311.